There we go. They're still coming out. Boy, they're mad as can be. Look at that guy. He tried to sting me. He did sting me. As soon as I said he tried to sting me, he got me. They're pissed, man. Is my light still on?
Yep.
Good. This is a good moment to catch getting attacked. There we go. Now we're back on again. Man, that hurts. Which ones are we taking here?
We're going to take purple and we're going to take red, but we got to put excluders and supers on them. They're going to be furious.
We're gonna do what?
Put supers on them.
Why? Why can't we put supers on when we get there?
You know how mad they were?
We just let them out, and I don't think we put supers on before. All right, I don't know. I've never done this before. I guess when they brought that, they know. I guess what's his name? Bastion. He bought it. He bought the 3 deep. He brought them just stacked, didn't he? It's fine. Let's do it. Good idea. So that's the deal.
I'm gonna get this excluder. All right.
We didn't wash out the feeders, put water in them yet. We'll deal with that. We'll grab them one day, and then we'll take them. Just do it like we'll go back and forth. Okay. It's too late now.
Yeah.
Which ones?
Red.
We need a towel. I got one trying to burrow itself in here. One just stung my leg.
You need the glasses to start tracking the sting ratio.
Well, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna come. I need to test it. I asked it to make it, and it deployed it to the store. I don't know. I haven't looked at it. It's got an icon. They made an icon and everything. It's supposed to have I think they said 180 commands or something.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know. I haven't looked at it yet. And but it's in I can see it in my iPhone on the Mentor store. It's wild. I can't grip anything with these gloves, and I'm not taking my gloves off. Because, I do not want to take stings in the hand. Not today. And we're finally moving to Claude, so that's exciting. Hear that? He's trying to burrow into my... Can you hear him?
Yeah, he wants that lemongrass oil you spilled.
He's somewhere in there. He's no, he's trying to sting me.
Not stingers, Mike. They're just saying hello.
Uh-huh.
You can go that way.
Okay. If you got a plan, I'll follow. You just direct me.
That was what I stormed up in my little thinking box. You want to close that front? Uh-oh. Can't close that front with that.
Why?
Got the narrow end up.
Oh, no. Now we're stuck. Now what?
Towel and tape.
Improvise.
Towel and tape.
We don't have a towel.
Got one behind you.
Perfect.
Holds tape. There's one in the back box. There's not.
I've got it covered if you can bring tape over here.
You want some tape?
Yeah, I hold pressure on it.
How you want it?
Just however you think.
All Couple guys out here figuring it out.
What?
Oh, we got the hive on super fast, but Andy forgot to close the front because he's stupid.
No, it's fine.
This hive's turned into quite the meanie.
That's got an opening all the way across too.
I taped it.
Oh, okay. Ah, jeez.
Sheesh. Sheesh, oh sheesh. Well,
They're still pissed.
we can put the reducer in and load them. Just assume they're going to stay on the front.
Yeah, they'll stay on the hive. They'll stay with the queens in there. They'll stay with the queen.
Come back out later.
We can do it
at like midnight and actually closing.
Whatever.
But I'm probably going to take some steam with that.
Why don't we just tape them shut? Or wait, or I don't know. What do you want to do? Want to just call it a day and do it in the morning? I feel like we got to close them up. Jeez. They're sort of taped, not really. They're sort of taped, not really. Yeah. They're still on me.
Tape my holes real quick.
Yep. That's a lesson learned the hard way. Hurts.
Did you take some more?
No, I don't know, maybe. I'm not sure. I just hurt. It's not. Whoa, whoa! Shoot. That was almost. Let's leave it there. Let's just put him on the trailer man by hand, maybe. How about that? That was fortunate.
That was almost catastrophic.
It wouldn't have been. You know what would have happened if that would have happened? All we'd done is put the hive back together, and they would all went back in there. Nothing would have happened. It just seemed dramatic, but
I
it
could do that, but
yeah.
Just leave it laying.
What are you gonna do?
Nope, don't put it in.
Okay. You going down?
Yep. Let go. I got
Okay.
it.
Oh.
So it's designed to run like that. We just want to set it on the back.
Oh. Okay.
That way I'm not sitting here trying to slide it around.
Yeah. That's kind of interesting.
The controls are just absolutely jumping.
You almost tipped it.
Yeah, it's hard to be.
That would have made a great thing that would happen to us. I don't know how far I would have ran away with that one. You're tipping. I'll hold it. I'll hold it steady, maybe. Go ahead. We'll do what you're gonna.
Should be high enough.
Okay. Oh no, I got it stuck in there now. There we go. They're still coming out. Boy, they're mad as can be. Look at that guy. He tried to sting me. He did sting me. As soon as I said he tried to sting me, he got me. They're pissed, man. Is my light still on?
Yep.
Good. This is a good moment to catch getting attacked. It's not even fun anymore. Okay, and this other one, I don't know, this might be problematic on this one. It doesn't look like they're...
What's the hive tool? What is that?
It's a J-hook. Probably it's a modified J-hook. It's just... How'd you explain it, Tom? What would you say?
You'll see when you get to...
Oh, they are angry. Woo. It's gonna be fun.
I need
Dude, just
right now.
check all your openings, check everything.
No, you're fine.
Yeah. Well, I'm not. I'm in the danger zone.
All right. Save that to the last.
Are we ready?
Yeah, don't...
Ready? Hey, Reese, come here. Come around, now, go like a row out and come around. Okay. Hop on the trailer here. Open this. Don't do that. Don't check. Here, put that back down. Like open this up. And there's gonna be a towel right here on the top. Just open this up. Open it up. Take the towel. All right, that's good.
A little string there.
All right, do the next one.
Maybe put the lid on the ground.
No, put it back on. This is fast. We're just fast, okay? Nicole, you want to help? Ha.
With this one,
Yep. Right there. Nothing there. That's fine. Close the next one. Go over to the next one. Okay, go to the next one.
This one here?
Yeah. Take the towel out. Whoa!
Yeah. You got, what do you got in the second deep?
We going excluders off?
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
What's that right there? What do you got in there?
Frames?
We got excluders on every one of them, Tom, on ours. On this one.
I'd take them off.
All right.
What's the excluder?
It says,
Clean down.